The purpose of making this video about Brahmandpadi Shri Saptashakti Mahagranth reading is just for information. With this, we are not insulting any human, animal, birds, caste, religion or sect. All the information given in this video is really told by Shri Maskoba Nath Maharaj Ji. So this video is only made for devotees of Nath Maharaj Ji. Then there is no need to clarify any concept to anybody. Thank you.
Please subscribe your favorite channel Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्रीनाथ मस्तोबानाथ प्रसन्न ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर महाराज उर्फ राजा भावनाथ प्रसन्न। ओम नमः शिवाय। जय देव जय काल भैरव जय देव जय काल भैरव। भद्र केदारनाथाला उत्पन्न झाले काळ भैरवनाथ नामे प्रसिद्ध झाले। जय देव जय काळ भैरव जय देव जय काळ भैरव।
ॐ भूर्भुर्गव आदिशक्ति ब्रह्माण्डच्च दिव्यशक्ति प्राप्त्यर्थच्च परमेश्वराय नमेन गायत्रीयं कालभैरव दिव्यशक्ति नमो शिवाय।
ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महाग्रंथ। ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री सप्तशक्ती महापंथ। सत्य हाच धर्म। जसा खवळलेला समुद्र, जसा पूर्ण आकाश, जसा सूर्य, तसा मी।
In the last episode we saw,
At that point, the planet stops back at the head of the moon and immediately begins to turn back in the opposite direction and begins to descend under the moon. Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti is a planet on the moon for 14 days till the full moon is formed, and 15th day, including the full moon, is in the same way. 14 days until the new moon is formed and 15th day, including the new moon. Thus, the planet is forming the days from full moon to new moon and new moon to full moon on the moon. Episode number 10. Humans on the earth would have looked up at the moon from earth. Before that, the moon is visible from above to the human beings on the earth, which is covered with a little bit every day. And on the day of the new moon, the moon appears to be completely covered. And from the next day onwards, the man sees the moon clearing from little below every day. And on the day of the full moon, the moon is seen to be completely clear on the earth. From the earth, we sometimes have the side to cover the moon, and the side to be clear of the moon looks different. I mean, the moon seems to be covered a little bit every day on the different side. At that time, our earth revolves around itself, and also because it revolves around the sun, moon, etc. Sometimes we see the phases of covering the moon or clearing the moon from different angles. After Sri Brahmand invisible power explained to Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti the task of staying on the moon in the form of the planet and forming a full moon to new moon and new moon to full moon, explained to Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti the task of managing and controlling the 5 basic Shaktis like Sri Brahmand Shakti, Sri Vijatava Shakti, Sri Divyatva Shakti, Sri Mayavi Shakti, and Sri Parmeshwari Shakti. And Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti's female human form has a Swayambhu 14 weapons in the 14 hands, explaining how to use those automatic weapons every day. Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti is from the day of full moon to the day before the new moon. That is, every day for 14 days throughout the day. Not just at night, but throughout the day they use one of their Swayambhu weapons. Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti on the 2 days of full moon and new moon with the Swayambhu weapon of Shankha in his left hand for the peace of all the moons, sun, earth, all the planets of Navagraha and all the deities created by Sri Parmeshwari Shakti for the welfare of human beings. These weapons are used throughout the day in the same way, every day for 14 days. They are protected by a Swayambhu weapon in one hand. Sri Brahmand Adrishya Shakti told Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti, Sri Mayavi Shakti has created these deities and animal for the welfare of animals, birds and creatures. The deities in those animals should also be used with a weapon every day for their care, protection and peace. The Shankh of Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti is guarding the entire day on this full moon day. On the second day of the full moon, Kamandalu is guarding the weapon all day long. On the third day of the full moon, the Trishul protects throughout the day. On the fourth day of the full moon, the bow and arrow protect the whole day. On the fifth day of the full moon, on the sixth day of the full moon, Sudarshan Chakra is guarding throughout the day. On the seventh day of the full moon, it is sword which protects the whole day. On the eighth day of the full moon, the spear is guarding the weapon all day long. On the ninth day of the full moon, the snake is guarding all day long. On the 10th day of the full moon, the plow is guarding all day long. While on the 11th, the sota is guarding throughout the day. On the 12th day of the full moon, the dagger is guarding all day. On the 13th day of the full moon, Vaganakhe is guarding all day long. And on the 14th day of Purnima, Musar has been defending all day long. Sri Brahmand Adrishya Shakti told Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti from the day of the new moon to the day before the full moon, that is, every day for 14 days throughout the day, not only at night but also during the day, with the Swayambhu weapon in one hand for the peace of Sri Brahmand Shakti, Sri Vijatava Shakti, Sri Divyatva Shakti, Sri Mayavi Shakti and Sri Parmeshwari Shakti in the Brahmand, as well as the 9-time demons. This weapon should be used throughout the day for maintenance. And these weapons will continue to do their work by traveling in the atmosphere of the Brahmand every day for 14 days. Thank you. In the next episode, that is episode number 11, we will see the Shankh of Sri Tejasvi Brahman Shakti is guarding the entire day on the day of new moon. On the second day of the new moon, Kamandalu is guarding all day long. On the fourth day of the new moon, Trishul is protecting throughout the day.
Om Shri Nath Maskobanath Shri Raja Bhavunath Pratyaksha Yoni Avatarat Shri Raja Bhavunath Shri Nath Maskobanath संकट व विचार करुनी 33 कोटी देवतांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथांचा प्रत्यक्ष अरण्येश्वर दरबार भावभक्ती व येणारे त्यांचा गुरु व श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथ 1000 पदव्या घेऊन पदवीत नाव श्री राजा भाऊनाथ शिव शंभो श्री राजा रामेश्वर पृथ्वी संकट आत्मलिंग गुरु पौर्णिमा दिवशी आत्मलिंग बोलावलेली त्यांचा गुरु श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगेश्वर 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर नवनाथ प्रकाश ह्या काळात घडलेला नवनाथांमधला श्री राजा भाऊनाथ ओम नमः शिवाय श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथ श्रीनाथ मस्कोबानाथ आई जोगेश्वरी कान्हुबाईश्वरी श्री काळभैरवनाथ तात्या महाराज पुण्येश्वरी दरबार येऊनी ब्रह्मांडपदी श्री शिव शंभो राजा रामेश्वर श्री राजा भाऊनाथ 33 कोटी व ब्रह्मांड पदवीचे श्री राजा भाऊनाथ श्री राजा भाऊनाथ श्री राजा भाऊनाथ
Please subscribe your favorite channel Hindu Dharma Brahmandapadi Shri. Like and share our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to receive notifications of our latest videos.